Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply a parallax scrolling website to your actual website, or if you want to create a new one. Let's start. All right, if you already create a website, you have to convert this website into a fixed layout. What that means, for example, the first time that you create a website, you will see this new site dialog box. Okay, and here you have the full width, but you have to convert this one to fixed width. Okay, but if you already create the website, you can change that. The only thing that you have to do here, I'm gonna right click over the page. I'm gonna select page properties. And here I'm gonna select, instead fluid width, I select fixed width. Okay. In addition, the only thing that I would like to do, I'm gonna change the minimum height. And here I'm gonna put 4,000. Okay. That is the idea. The only thing that you have to do is change this. All right. And then click OK. Perfect. If I zoom out, you can see the page is very long. All right. And now what you have to do, I'm gonna go to the top and I'm gonna create a few guides. Here on the ruler, okay, if you don't see the ruler, you can go to the view, and here you have show or hide rulers. Okay, position the mouse on the ruler, click and drag down, and we have to create a guide, okay, on 1000. If the number is not perfect, okay, when you select the guide, you can put the number here. I'm gonna select the guide, I'm gonna do one click, and here on the top, okay, you have to put there 1000. Okay, then I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna create another one on the 2000. Okay, and this is just guide to see where we can create the second part of the website. Okay, and do the same for the 3000. Okay, I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna drag, there is the 3000. Okay, and remember, if the number is not exactly okay, you can reduce there. Okay, I have my guides. Now, what is the idea? If I click here on this picture, I would like to scroll automatically to the 1000 automatically. But first, we have to create anchor. Select the anchor tool, and then you can click here on this area, one click. When this dialog box comes up, here I'm gonna call this one top. Okay, or top of the page also. And then select OK. All right, now I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna create a second anchor. If you click here on the anchor, okay, I'm gonna put an anchor here. Just double check, okay, I'm gonna put this one about, but just double check on the top bar here. You can see X and Y. I want to put this one in 1000. I'm gonna increase this one to 1000. Okay, you can see the guide is just a guide for you, but the anchor you have to put on the correct position. Okay, I'm gonna select the third anchor. Okay, I'm gonna put there. I'm gonna call this one gallery. Click OK. But look at this. Here I have to put in 0, and then this one in 2000, and the last one in 3000. I'm gonna call this one contact or hire me. Okay, hire me. But look at this, if I click OK, look at the name, I use a space. If you click OK, you will receive a message that you can't use spaces, but you can use hyphens. I'm gonna click OK. All right, perfect. I'm gonna reduce to 3000. All right, I have all my anchor. And now, okay, what you have to do, you have to start putting content here. For example, I'm gonna put this same New York here. I'm gonna put here, for example, about NYC, and then I'm gonna place a picture on this area, okay, on different ways, but I'm gonna put a rectangle like this, and then I'm gonna go to the fill, I'm gonna select add image, okay, and on my desktop I have my Muse 1, I have my material. I'm gonna put, for example, this picture. Okay, and then I'm gonna put the original size, scale to fill, and then on the center. All right, I like that picture. And then on the lowest part, probably I'm gonna put a little text on this area from Libsyn. What you can do, you can go to libsyn.com. All right, I'm gonna select this text, copy, and then here I'm gonna create a text box on this area and paste, just to put something, guys, nothing too fancy. It's just to add a little of information. Then on this one, this is the gallery. Okay, I'm gonna copy the same thing, copy, I'll scroll down, I'm gonna put here, and then just to practice, it's very good to put everything together. And I'm gonna open here my slideshow. Okay, I'm gonna select the thumbnails. Okay, and I have a gallery there. Okay, and then on the lowest part, hire me, I'm gonna put from the social, let's say a form. Okay, I'm gonna put here a form and a Google map. Okay, the Google map here on the right, and let's say the form, from the form, simple contact form. Okay, and I have all this stuff, but I would like to put the title here. I'm gonna copy, I'm gonna move this a little down and paste. Hire me. Perfect. Now, if I show you the entire page, we have all the section here. Okay, it's time to link. First, I'm gonna select this circle, and here on the top part, I can go to the about. Okay, automatically, if you click there, gonna go to that anchor. I'm gonna do the same with this guy. All right, this one go to gallery. Okay, this one go to the hire me. Okay, and if I go all the way down to the hire me, one of the things that I can do here, I can put the typical text. That's something you can see this, like go to top. Okay, and this text, what I can do, I can link with the top. Okay, that is the idea. If I preview this, what you will see on the preview, if I click here, you will go to that part. And it looks very nice. But the thing is, I would like to see the circle here. In that case, I'm gonna go back to the design. I'm gonna scroll up here. And this is what I am planning to do. I'm gonna select these three guys. I'm gonna copy paste, hold on the shift, and I'm gonna shrink a little bit. And I'm gonna put this one as a menu on the top. I have to move this to a little down. And I'm gonna put these three guys. Okay, but the thing is, if I click on this one, I would like to have a sticky menu. That means the menu, it won't move, okay, if you click there, okay? For that, I have to select the scroll effect panel, okay? If you have the element selected, the only thing that you have to do is select here, motion, okay? And then move this key position to the top, okay? And then select the second one, select motion, and then here, put on the same key position the 1000, and the third one, motion, and then put the key position here. Okay, but what this means, the idea, what's gonna happen if you see, if I hit in preview, I can see, I can go there, but look at this, it's here on the left. Why that happened? Because you have an initial motion, and then you have to continue here, scrolling, and you will see there, and then goes up. Okay, but that is not the idea. That is not what I want. Okay, in that case, I'm gonna select this guy, and the initial motion. This initial motion, this means the element moves from the left to the right. Can you see? You can see the arrow there. Okay, and one means gonna move. Okay, with a normal scroll speed. Okay, that is nice. Okay, that is what I would like to do. But for this one, I would like to change that. Instead of move from the left, I'm gonna put 0, okay? You wanna remove that? I would like to move from the top, okay? And here I'm gonna put 1, okay? And then for the third one, which is this one, instead from the left, okay, I'm gonna fly in from the right to the left, okay? And then if I preview this is gonna happen, okay? If I start scrolling, you can see the element comes like this and looks pretty cool, but that goes away. How you can figure it out that? What you have to do here, you have to select all these elements, okay? And here on the final motion, put simple 0, okay? That means it's not moving at the end, okay? If I preview, they're not moving, okay? If I start scrolling, you can see the elements are there. You can see it's pretty cool. Okay, there are other things that you can do. For example, one of the things that you can do, you can select this. Okay, I'm gonna select this picture. I'm gonna increase the size. Okay, and here on the fill, I have the scroll. Okay, and what I can put, I can motion the scroll also. For example, I'm gonna put that move from the top. Okay, and it's not leaving. I'm gonna put here, for example, 0. Okay, and look at what can happen. Okay. Oh, by the way, I have to put this. I would like to cover the whole thing, but I would like to put the key position on the 1000. Okay. On the lowest part, I'm gonna keep what it is. Okay, and now if I preview, okay, what's gonna happen is this. You can see the picture comes from the top. Okay, this looks a little funky, but why? Because I'm previewing for the render of Muse. If I go here to the view and I select preview page in browser, okay, what's gonna happen? If I click on that, gonna looks very nice. Okay, I'm gonna just click there, and that looks pretty cool. Okay, all right, guys, that is the idea how you can create that. It's pretty cool. Okay, try to practice with the parallax scrolling, and see you on the next video. Bye.